morning dear students and parents. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Student, today we are going to start our block 14 lesson plan 1. Dear students, before going to start our today's topic, I want to ask one question to you. Have you ever heard about the early humans? In the previous chapters you have read about the early humans. Okay, what did they eat, students? Right, they eat fruits and the flesh and meat of the animals, right students? So how did they start to grow the crops? Just think about it. Right, means how did they start? We can guess only about this thing. How did they grow crops? So student, we can guess about this thing only. So what is our today's topic, student? Our today's topic is history of cultivation. As you know the meaning of cultivation, how to sow the seeds. First we are going to sow the seeds, then we give water to it, then it grown up, and after then we harvest it. So this process is called the cultivation. So what is our today's topic? History of cultivation. Today we are going to read about the history of the cultivation, how the agriculture was started. Keywords for today's class, students: hunters, gatherers, cultivating. What is the meaning of hunters? Hunter, who they hunt the animals. Gatherers, who they collect. Cultivating means cultivate karna. Agriculture means to grow the crops. So student, what is our today's aim? Our today's aim is to trace the history of cultivation. Today we are going to read about the history of the cultivation. Before going to start our today's activity, I want to ask one question to you, student. What is your favorite food, student? Think about it. My favorite food is rajma and rice. Have you ever thought about this thing? Where does it come from? ये कहाँ से आता है? If I am eating rajma and rice, from where it come? Yes, let's think about this thing, and today we are going to find out from where our food come from. Student, now I want to ask one question to you again. How did the early human search for food? How did the early human search for food? And why did they start to grow the crops? Why did they start? So student, you will try to find out the answer of these questions while the reading. Now you will open the content book, page number 32. Yes, now you will discuss about these questions while reading. Types of food. People started growing crops thousands of years ago. In India, we grow different types of crops, including spices. Indian food is known to have a rich variety of spices all over the world. The history of cultivation. Thousands of years ago, early humans were hunters and gatherers. Before they started growing crops, they ate fruits, berries, and nuts from trees and the meat of animals. These hunters-gatherers might have seen plants growing from seeds. Then they began to collect seeds and sow them. They usually chose river banks to grow crops on because they could use the water from the rivers for the plants. Once they found ways to grow crops, they got their food from different types of crops. Dear students, this is all about the history of the cultivation. People started growing crops thousands of years ago. When the cultivation was started, it was started thousands of years ago. In India, we grow different types of crops, including spices. Spices are also used. Spices are also grown in India, and Indian food is known to have a rich variety of spices all over the world because different types of spices are grown in India. These are sown in India, so these spices are used in the Indian food. The history of the cultivation. Thousands of years ago, early humans were hunters and gatherers. What were they called? What do we say to early humans? Today we say to the early humans hunters and gatherers. Hunters और gatherers कहते थे. Why? Because they hunt the animals for their food. क्योंकि वो animals को hunt करते थे, animals का शिकार करते थे अपने खाने के लिए, and they collect this food. That is why they were called the hunters and gatherers. Before they started growing crops, they ate fruits, berries, and nuts from trees and meat of animals. Before started the growing, to grow the crops. Crops को grow करने से पहले they started to eat the fruits and berries also. and these hunters gatherers might have seen plants growing from seeds. Means it is a guess only. Actually we didn't know about this thing, how the cultivation was start. Means it was our idea only कि उन्होंने कैसे cultivation start किया था. They might have seen any plants growing from seeds, कि seeds से जो है plants कैसे grow होते हैं. Then they began to collect seeds and sow them. They usually chose river banks to grow crops on because they could use the water from the rivers for the plants. So which land they choose to grow the crops? They choose the river bank area. They choose the river bank area to grow the crops so they can use the water from the rivers easily. So student, now I want to ask some question on based. Now I want to ask some questions which are based on this written. Now move to the analysis part, students. Now I want to ask some questions which are based on the activity part. In activity, what did we do? We read the chapter. Student, my first question is: how did early humans find food thousands of years ago? Yeah, just now you have read. How did early humans find their food? Right. Early humans were hunters and gatherers. Right. They hunt the animals. They hunt the animals and collect the collect the meat of the animals and collect the fruits, berries and nuts to eat. Right, here you can see they hunted the animals and they gathered nuts, fruits and berries. Next question is, what did they eat? Right, what did they eat? As what did they do to find their food? They hunt the animals. If they hunt the animals, they eat the meat and flesh of the animals. And what did they gather? They gathered nuts, fruits and berries. So they eat only these things. Next question is, how did early humans begin to grow? How did early humans begin to grow? Right, students, think about it. Parents, please pause the video so students can give their own answer. Right, students, perhaps the early humans would have noticed how the plants grow out from the seeds. Right, they might have used this idea and they started to sow the seed into the soil and how the plant come out of it. So they might have observed this thing and after that they started to grow the crops. Student, now it is time for the higher order thinking question. Student, now look at the screen. The question is on your screen. How did growing food change our lives? How did growing food change our lives? As the growing food, the cultivation was started thousands of years ago. Right, students? Who they started? The early humans. Or they started this cultivation. When early humans started farming, they got most of their food, such as food grains, pulses, vegetable, etc., from their fields. If we did not know how to grow crops, we would probably be hunting animals for food or eating whatever we find in trees or forest, because it was started by early humans, right? And before early humans, what did they eat before the cultivation? They eat the flesh of the animals and they gather the fruits and berries and nuts, right? So for this they have to move from one place to other place, right, students? As I have shown you in this word web. Now look at this word web, students. How did early humans find food? They hunted animals, gathered nuts and fruits and berries, and after that moved from place to place. Right? In search of food, they move from one place to another place. After that, when they started the cultivation, जब cultivation उन्होंने start कर दिया था, then they can stay only one place and they choose the area near the river bank so that they can use the water of the rivers, right, students? And after that they started to use the fire also. Fire का use करना भी शुरू कर दिया था उन्होंने. Why? What did they do with fire? They used the fire to cook the food. So student, now look at these pictures. These are the pictures how early humans find their food, how did they gather the nuts and fruits and berries, and after that how did they started the cultivation, the use of fire. Here you can see in these pictures. So students, you can pause the video here and you can observe these pictures one by one. Student, now it is time for the application part to apply your knowledge. Do S1 on page 13, that is given in workbook. Yes students, your workbook must be completed within 10 minutes. Now open page number 30 of your workbook. History of cultivation. Where did early humans find food? Fill in the word web. Here you will fill this word web, and I have shown you in the discussion part also. Where did early humans find food? What was our question which I have shown you in the word web? Right? What was that question? That was the question, how did early humans find food? कि early humans जो थे उनको अपना food, उनका जो food था उनको कैसे मिलता था? And here what is the question? Where did early humans find food? वो उनको food जो था वो कहाँ मिलता था? You can think about it students, right? Where did they find their food as they hunt the animals? Where can they find the animals? They can find the animals in the forest, right? And in search of the food, they have to move from one place to another place. And after that, when they started the cultivation, where did they live? Where did they can find their food? Near the river banks, they grow the crops, right students? So this is how you can fill this word web. Second question is, how did early humans begin to grow food? How did they started to grow the food? You think about it and write the answer. Question number 3, how did growing food change the life of early humans? How did the growing food change the life of early humans? कैसे उनके life को change कर दिया था? As in search of food, when they were hunting the animals, they have to move from one place to other place in search of food, right students? And when they started the cultivation, they can stay on one place. एक ही place पे वो रह सकते थे. So because of the cultivation, this was the major change that had come in their lives. Now student, move to the homework part. What is your today's homework? You will complete practice question number 2, that is given on page number 36 in your content book. So at last student, let's summarize our today's topic. Yes, what was our today's topic? The history of cultivation. What was the history of the cultivation if we are going to think about it? Early humans, first of all, early humans were hunters and gatherers, right? And then they would have seen how the plants grow from the seed, and after then slowly they started to grow the crops, and they might have learned how to grow the crops. So this was the history of the cultivation. Yes student, now be ready for next class also, and resources for next class, content book, notebook and workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.